This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals class. I'm on Course D, Lesson 6, Loops in Ice Age, Part 2. Use a turn left block to get the acorn. Okay, so I have this run command. Oh, and I need to turn left over here. I'm actually going to use their repeat too, because I got to move forward, right? And I'm going to hit run. But instead of pulling out 5 of these, I want to just grab this. Whoop, it's easier. Do that once. And then I'm going to say turn left. And I think I need to go forward once and then twice. Let's test this. Yay! We did it! So here's what worked for me. I did do the repeat because I thought it was a bit easier. Turned left, move forward two. Excellent. Let's keep going.